Yeah, but these guys are just researching like, what? Shampoo?
Photosynthesis for solar panels.
All right, conditioner.
Shampoo.
What a guess.
So a janitor kept hearing this noise, right? He's working at this like lab at the Polytech Institute in New York. And he's like, what is this fucking noise? It's beeping and beeping and beeping and beeping and beeping. And so he finally finds this like, it's like a big, huge fridge. And he's like, oh, well, I'll just turn it off. Oh, there it is. Got the beep.
Good.
In doing that, he destroyed over $1 million worth of research.
Oh shit.
Whoa.
What was in the fridge? Fucking like mice DNA and shit?
Dude, cell cultures, samples, and experiments.
Oh,
supposed to be kept at minus 112 degrees
I
Fahrenheit.
thought he did it because he was like pissed.
Yeah.
Nah, he just heard this beep and he's like, that's so fucking annoying, I'm trying to do my shit. And he's like trying to listen to Joe Rogan.
He's trying to listen to RFK.
Yeah, he's trying to listen to RFK and Joe Rogan talk vaccine stuff.
And his voice is all kind of like, you know, it's a little
raspy.
It's really hard.
Yeah.
We did something similar like that. I was shooting a sketch with our friend at a sushi restaurant, and the fucking fridge kept making noise. So he unplugged the fridge for I think like 4 hours. I don't know how the fish was after, but we left.
Restaurant?
It was in North Hollywood. Yeah, it was a sushi restaurant in North Hollywood.
A restaurant that you guys were just like patrons of?
No, we shot on a day that
you were shooting.
Yeah. Oh. So we blocked it. We blocked it out for 4 hours.
They just wrecked their whole like thing.
Did you see anything on the news about it after? Like 3 people died of fucking
It wasn't my shoot. I was just there just to fucking
rancid fish meat.
I was just there just to fucking say some random lines.
It was the ahi tuna.
I mean, in North Hollywood, fish in North Hollywood.
I heard that happens a lot with servers, with like janitors and servers. You know, like the computer server. You're not supposed to just like yank it out.
Oh, you just pull the data
They'll
out?
be like vacuuming, and then they'll be turning. Oh, that someone left that thing on. It's like, and then all of it's just
Shit. Is that what happens at Spectrum?
Fuck.
Fucking
Bro, I fucking think so.
the same old lady that fucking.
Consuela from Family Guy? Yeah.
And it happens all day.
The electricity.
Yeah, dude.
Hey, you know what's not in Vegas? Spectrum.
What's out there then?
Cox and sucks. I hate them.
Really?
Yeah, there's only like one out there too, right? Like one main one out there. Is
Anything is better than fucking.
Spectrum. Anything.
I like Cox though.
So yeah, he destroyed all this research, right? It's going to take $1 million to replicate the samples.
Oh my god.
Part of research into photosynthesis to further development of solar panels.
Was he like trying to save money for the building? Like, you guys have an AC too cold.
I wish.
Solar panels.
We know enough about photosynthesis, right? Come on.
He just said that
It was annoying.
the alarm was annoying. They had a mechanical malfunction with the fridge, so it was giving like an alarm,
Like a code, right?
to say what's going on with it. And he was just like, "This is a bitch. I don't even want to deal with this shit." And also, the funniest thing is there was no cleaning required in the area, so he was just like really annoyed by the beep from far away.
And he had no business even to be there. Wow. Okay.
Yep,
So we lost a job, huh?
he lost his job.
Did he lose his life too?
Been terminated. They said terminated. Maybe they killed him.
Yeah. He's dead.
If he worked for Bill Gates or some shit, I feel like he's dead.
Oh yeah.
This sounds like what's
Those
it
are
called?
Bill Gates' bio fucking mosquitoes.
Yeah.
So over
This
that.
sounds like the beginning of like a campy horror comedy where the scientist comes back and he's like, "What did you do?" And he's like, "I turned it off." And he goes, "Where am I gonna get cells now?"
Yeah, exactly.
You got that look in your eye.
Well, I suppose there's only one place for me to get cells now. Yeah, apparently there's a lawsuit now because of this.
What are they gonna take from that guy? He's got nothing.
Fucking just Lysol.
Maybe the company that he works for?
I think it's that. Yeah, it's the.
That's good.
Yeah.
There's a report following the incident claiming the janitor believed he had been turning on the breaker rather than switching it off. So he didn't like just unplug the fridge like a dumb fuck
Do you think that'll hold up in court?
per se.
He turned off the whole breaker.
Yeah.
Damn.
He thought he was.
He went for the breaker box.
He thought he was turning it on though. He's just trying to fuck. He's like, maybe I'll turn it on, kind of thing.
Damn.
You would think there's like a padlock on that thing.
You would think you couldn't even get in the area, bro.
Yeah.
But that's what, dude, like, when we talk about defense contractors and, like, all that kind of shit, because I used to do toner for like Northrop Grumman and Lockheed Martin.
Yeah.
So I would like send text to these classified buildings, and these guys needed to have like special access passes and shit. They need to have like classified
Little key card.
access shit just to swap printer toner
Wow.
because they're in these high access areas.
Security, yeah.
Well, that's probably the reason why. Because some fucking jerk off is gonna, delete all the files.
You don't know.
Pull a can and just fucking.
Or could be copying the files and sending them to Russia or something.
That's true. That's
Wow.
Yeah, pull a can.
true. Just delete everything.
Yeah, but these guys are just researching like, what? Shampoo?
Photosynthesis for solar panel.
All right, conditioner.
Shampoo.
What a guess.
But why would you need like high security? Like you never would have thought that the janitor would take their own liberty to turn off the whole thing.
Yeah, that's a bold move.
Has the janitor ever fucked anything up in here? All these years?
Not that I know of. Everything's already fucked up.
Never like jizzed on your pillow in there or something?
It's the opposite. Things get better.
I know.
You're like,
Things
what
get
the-
fixed.
Less
You
holes.
just feel bad.
When they interviewed the janitor, he says he didn't think he did anything wrong. He was just trying to help out.
Poor guy.
I bet. Because you hear an alarm and you're just trying to turn it off.
It sucks to be like earnestly just dumb.
Yeah.
Like he's a good guy probably, but like
But then again, how much of the
That
blame
watch
is on
was
the
pretty
fucking company to make sure that like this stuff doesn't happen?
well the thing is you can't block the fucking breaker box. That's another thing. That's in any like a lab I'm sure it's the same rules. You have to have like fucking access to the breaker panel. So
Aren't they supposed to have backup power and just like fail-proof like things to like if it's that important?
Or also they just probably didn't think that was ever a possibility.
Don't we just sound like those assholes on Twitter who were like talking about the Titan sub the whole time?
Yeah.
Like, why didn't they just use a better controller?
Yeah, idiots.
Then they wouldn't have been stuck down there.
yeah, a better controller would have totally helped implosion.
Exactly.
I can't believe you bought the wrong materials. What a fucking idiot.
I think I've seen enough zombie movies where if you're in a like high research place that they have their own generators if anything go bad.
Yeah.
If they could do it, how come they can't?
That's true.
I know.
The way this guy solves problems is also weird though. Because like if there was smoke in the hallway and the smoke detector goes off, he just turns off the smoke detector. Instead of fixing the smoke.
Poor problem.
It's God, the fucking beeps, man.
Or maybe he is like a Newman from Jurassic Park where he meant to turn it off so someone could steal something.
You never know. But his employer is being sued, Daigle Cleaning Services.
Oh shit.
That's a big
Oh yeah, so he's not getting sued. His employer is.
Don't they have insurance and stuff?
Yeah.
I assume so.
I'm just answering for them.
$1 million?
Yes, they do.
Yeah, they totally do.
Damn.
They're covered.
Doesn't say though.
That sounds kind of sad. Because he probably just wanted to clean.
Maybe they're also just like lying about how much research was in there.
Oh, that's true. I would.
To inflate the numbers?
Oh, dude, it was super top secret
It's like all
stuff.
they had was a fucking sub.
Yeah.
Coca-Cola or something.
He had a Jersey Mike's. He's like, my cells!
Yeah, someone broke into my car. Like police come. Like, dude, I got like 7 Rolexes in there. They
Yeah.
took all of them.
I keep them in my car for safekeeping.
Yeah, always.
I felt so dumb because I truly don't have the guts to fucking lie in those situations. But last time my trunk got broken into in front of my house, they took my subwoofer, and then I called the cops anyway because I like to fucking report this shit so that the stats go up in the area that it happened.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So the cop comes and he's like, "Oh, what did they take?" I'm like, "They took my subwoofer out of the trunk," and he goes, "What's the value of the subwoofer?" I was like, "I don't know, like $50." And he goes, "Your subwoofer's only $50?"
That's what the cops said.
And I was like, "Yeah, thanks, man."
Yeah, fuck you, dude.
But they still stole it though, okay?
I gave you an honest value, and that's how you treat me.
Yeah.
You feel like shit.
Wait, how did you get a
What kind of sub is that?
Explain yourself.
No, because it's
He bought it in a
old.
grocery store parking lot.
It's such an old subwoofer from like another car,
Yeah.
and it's like an offer-up subwoofer. That's probably the real value of it's probably $50.
But did you tell him that like, just so you know, full disclosure, I'm really good at getting deals. Like, I'm a bar.
So you gotta factor that in.
You should have been like, oh, you wanted the retail value. See, I got the current Blue Book value.
If I was good at getting deals, I would be saying a higher number.
Exactly.